Hey everybody, this is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. Today we're going to be doing a quick tour of the Daisy by Franklin Homes. It is a 16 by 84 single section home. I actually hadn't realized I hadn't done a tour yet until a customer was asking if we had a video to show to her husband so he could see what the home looked like. So we're going to do this one. This is mostly for her, but also a little bit for y'all so you can check out this home. Of course, you see the vinyl siding all along the side. They do have several other siding options you can see at the Franklin Homes website. They got the white shutters as well. They got 3 or 4 different shutter options that you can do, as well as different window colors, all kinds of different things. Franklin Homes is highly customizable. You can also see from the tabs that this one's a wind zone 2, and we got all the way down here you got an exterior outlet. If you're ordering, you can add extra outlets if you want. When we come in, you get the frosted glass door with the storm door in the front. Of course, Franklin always does the storm door on the front and back doors standard, unless you add like a chateau door or something like that. Walking in, you come in to your living room, opens into a very open area in the kitchen dining section. They have 8.5-foot ceilings in this house. Now, if you're ordering, Franklin does do 9-foot ceiling standard. They also do this larger crown molding standard as well. You can see the large windows. We cool in this whole house with this one window unit, by the way. It feels so much better in here than it does outside where it's 95. You see the large windows, 2-inch blinds, painted sheetrock throughout. This also has a luxury vinyl planking floor. I really like the floor color with the wall color in this house. And they also have carpet in the bedrooms. We have 4 mica countertops. You do have the option of doing quartz or granite. And there is a ceramic backsplash. You don't have to do one. We also chose to do a microwave above the stove in this one. And then you have the large farm sink that's got the 60-40 split in here with your dishwasher off to the left. And of course, Franklin does the wood doors and fronts on the cabinets, as you can see. And they also do the soft close. And then even on their drawers here, you get the dovetail. It's actual wood, not just particle board, and the soft close on that as well, not just the doors, but also the drawers. You got 2 large pot and pan drawers. You got a wider drawers almost throughout for silverware or whatever. You actually have room to put stuff. And this is a large, versatile living room as well. If you look at this one on the website, you can see that they have done a fireplace in here, and it looks really nice as well. You got the sliding barn door. That area goes over to the master bedroom suite. We'll go check that out in just a moment. And this is wire embraced in the living room here for a ceiling fan, but we chose not to do one. That is an option at the factory, or you can install one later. Coming in here, we're going to see bedroom 2. It's a good size. One that you get on most single wides. Of course, vents are in the ceiling, as you see. This little bitty room actually got 2 vents in here. Make sure you keep it cool. Another large window lets in a ton of that natural light, and even an oversized closet for a guest bedroom. You don't normally have them this large. Franklin does do the wood shelving with the rod standard in all their closets. And they do have options to upgrade to a closet organization system in the master closet for an additional fee, of course. Going through here, you see in the hallway here is your main AC where the A coil will be placed, furnace is, and then bedroom 3 off to the left. It's got a similar size closet, similar size bedroom in here. Another large window. Of course, if you're ordering, you can ask for the windows put on the side of the house or the end of the house, whichever you choose. They do have to have some windows in every room, typically for fire safety, but you can specify where you put it. Then on the end of the hall here is your guest bathroom. It's got ceramic sink, metal faucets. There is a mirror that's supposed to go here. You got the light fixture up above. We don't have power to this house, so I can't really show you all of it very well, but it is a fiberglass tub shower combo. And then you got the elongated toilet there. Now going back this way through the kitchen, we're gonna see the utility room, pantry, and master bedroom. So let's go check that out. And if you don't like the colors, by the way, they have a ton of color options. When it comes to paint, you can do anything Sherwin-Williams offers. And they do have multiple countertop and cabinet color options as well. And even these cabinets can be painted, so we can get you a specific color you choose. Now over here on the right, down this hallway, there's your exit door with a storm door off the side, washer and dryer space. You got your little shutoff valves. There's a recessed dryer vent here, and the little cabinets above with a place to do some hanging clothes. Some room to put your bleach and stuff like that. Get your breaker box right here. It is a full-size breaker box, and it does come pre-labeled, and they are correct labeling, but you got a lot of space for extra stuff to add if you want to put a hot tub or a shop, carport on the back side of the house. Then across the hall, you got a nice pantry. It's good spacing, a lot of shelves. It even goes back here in the corner, so you got room for more stuff. And then right here is your water heater. Now this is an electric 50-gallon water heater that we've put in the house, but you do have options for on demand or a gas water heater. You can even do a gas furnace if you choose in the house. A bunch of different options. This is your master bedroom. I've had a lot of folks rearrange this room just where the windows are so they can put their bed on one wall and not have the windows in here. But it is a good size. There's room for a king size bed in here. Queen size with nightstands would fit a little bit easier. We actually just had one customer that had specific measurements they needed for this bedroom that we had to kind of stretch it out a little bit by stealing a little bit of space from one room and another room so they could do it. Then you got your large master closet. If you wanted to, you could double hang your shelves in here on one wall, give you a little bit more space for hanging clothes. And then coming in here to the master bathroom, you got no tub in here, but there is a tub option. I've even had some folks that want to add a second sink and still keep the drawer stack or do a bigger shower. Whatever you like, we can custom design it for it. There's those light fixtures we haven't even taken the plastic wrap off of yet. But as you can see, there's a lot of customization space in here that we can do. The doors are laying in one of the bedrooms in there for the shower, but this is a sliding. This is one of the more simple fiberglass showers. It is a 60-inch, but you can do larger if you choose. And then of course over here, y'all know we love our storage, so we got an added cabinet stack in here as well. Again with the adjustable shelves. This is the Daisy. We love this floor plan. It's actually been very popular for us because it is highly customizable. Just little tweaks in here and there are what most people are doing, but we'd love to help you design it or just look at any of the different homes that we offer from 8 different builders. Again, this one's built by Franklin Homes, and we do love the quality that they offer, but we have a bunch of other builders that can give you what you need or want. If you have any questions about this home, my name is Travis. Again, I'm your manufactured home nerd. You can reach me at 318-487-1819. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe and follow. Make sure you see all the new homes that we get to do. I got a brand new home coming out soon that we got to see at a show. Simply loved it. Again, thanks for watching, and I'm glad y'all joined me. Have a great day.